choice. From hiding in the corner to reaching out to Mars, craving to be gold, hit the highest walls. I'm playing for the win, calling for the game. And once I hit the light up, it will never be the same. Now I've reached my goal, don't wanna be saved.